Well, it's been a while since I worked on this building. I kept the grandkids for a week before they went back to school, or kept one of them every day. Kept three of them a couple of days this week, but as you can see, we've been doing a little painting. Got a lot to do still. Got my wood for the doors in there. Today I've been working on a little diamond plated threshold. I just cut it, didn't record it, but we got it cut off. I'm going to fasten that down, caulk it up, screw it down, and may work on windows on the far end next. Need to get this thing closed in, get a ramp, get the doors made before winter gets here. Haha. It's been in the 90s for over 45 days this summer around here. In the last 12 days, I believe it is, we've been above 90 degrees. So by the time the sun gets up high and bright, I run inside and hibernate. Stick around and see what we get done today. All right, we got it in there and we went in and slid the window open so we see, make sure it worked. Got it caulked. That caulking will dry clear. It looks a little white where I wiped it off, but we'll get busy on the next one. Not bad for a cheap Amazon window. And they're small, and I wanted them to be small to keep individuals from climbing through them. But we got them in. Let's move on to the next project. We're going to cut some 2-foot pieces of siding to put under our overhang now. We got some shade out here, so we're working in the shade for the most part. It's still rather warm. It's probably about 90 degrees. So it's not a cool day, but the humidity's a little bit lower. So let's get busy. If we don't get stung, let's get busy cutting some siding to put under our overhang. I got the first two pieces up there okay, but that one slipped on me. So I got to pull that nail out and reattach that one. A little hard when you're working by yourself, but I got an idea what I'm going to do for that piece. Hold it up there while I nail it in, since I only have two hands. So let me get that piece down. plan didn't work, so I'm gonna have to call in reinforcements to help me hold those boards up. It's just too much of dropping nail guns, standing on a ladder about 8 foot in the air. I'm just gonna wait until I got somebody to help me hold it. What I thought I could do was take a little jack that I got and hold it up there, but the jack's too tall to stand on top of the ladder. So I'm going to cut a couple of more boards, and then I may cut out the hole for the air conditioner. It's getting late. I need to do some mowing, so we'll see. But I am going to cut those 2 boards. Stick around.